This is the Bosch Advanced Impact 900 series drill. It's the top of the class in the Bosch DIY series and suitable for all household DIYs with regular extended home use. Ideal for the entry-level contractor too. The 2-speed gearbox selector provides a high torque in first gear and a high speed of 2,850 RPM in second gear. The speed can further be controlled via the thumb wheel dial on the trigger switch or controlled by the pressure applied to the trigger, ranging from 50 to 2,850 RPM. The front removable handle is adjustable and also has an easy set depth stop. This drill is designed for wood, steel, brick and concrete, with a maximum impact rate of 48,500 blows per minute in the hammer function. The keyless chuck holds drill bits from 1.5mm up to 13mm. The Bosch constant electronic technology ensures that the speed is automatically kept constant whilst the drill is under load. The integrated sensor increases user protection by shutting down the tool if it jams. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. We'd love to see your feedback. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.